So how to connect with the aliveness of the nature. Nature is a great teacher of, we can learn so much thing from it. So how do we connect with the nature, the beautiful things we humans haven't created? And they were here and they keep being here with our own, we can be out of here, they will still be here. So the aliveness of water, how to connect with it. Simply look at the water and become water. You are all the water. 75% of you is said to be water. Look at the water. You drink it, you need it. Without it, you won't be here.
This is what it is, okay? I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Water, every fruits, every things we are eating, it's water. Without water, there won't be here. So this aliveness on it, water can take any shapes. You can, you put any form of inside of any cookie, a jar, it will take a jar form. You put it inside of the teacup, it takes the teacup form. So it's taking all kind of forms. Water can evaporate. Water can be hot, it can be ice. So, you leave this, you can, this is all you as well. So aliveness of the forest, the trees, simply take some time, even if it's once a week, go to the forest and walk in, quietly and simply listen to the cracking of the leaves, of the branches, the sound of the birds, this aliveness in you. This wind, the wind blowing or it's quiet, the leaves, they're like making those sounds. This aliveness in you, it's so beautiful, so sweet, so nice. Look at the big trees. They grow as high as they can. So as you, they grow to their peak. So are you growing to your peak? So you can also grow to your peak, your fullness, intellectually, emotionally, physically. You are expanding, you are growing. They give fruits. They are creating something for us. Are you putting this creative energy out of you? This creative energy out of you. So this aliveness, all these things is alive in us, but we can be blind not to see them while we are seeing. This aliveness in the sky, look at the sky, this aliveness of the cloud, of the stars, of the moon, of the sunshine. Look at it. Just simply lay down somewhere and look at the sky, the blue sky. Beyond the sky, what is there? Look at the sun. At the night, just go somewhere in a full moon. Look at the moon, look at the stars, and what kind of aliveness there in here. Are you expressing it out? Are you juicing it out? Look the aliveness of the animals, the aliveness of the birds. A pigeon, okay, look at the pigeon, a simple pigeon, because it's almost everywhere. How beautiful they are. Look at couple of them, how much love they're giving to themselves, how much caring they're giving to their kids, and then after let them go. Look at the beauty inside of the sea animals, okay, the dolphins, beautiful, intelligent. Look at fishes, what are they here for you, and what it's reflecting within you. Looking and see, and look in the jungle, in the Serengeti jungle of Africa. In the jungle, Tanzania, South Africa. Look at the ostriches, look at the lions, but they are here for you. Look at the giraffe, look at the elephants, Look. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing this aliveness in you? If you cannot see it, simply use your eyes and look, observe without judging, without any old regimes, okay, of knowledge someone has passed down to you. Simply look within and see what is there, what is truly there, which connects you, which is alive in you, which is alive, they are feeding you, you are feeding them, yin yang. I was just talking about how to find this aliveness in you with all these things that's here, okay. When you wake up in the morning, as you go out, okay, or you look inside of your apartment, look the aliveness in the nature, okay, and you will see, you will have a beautiful day, a happy day, a smiley day, a fresh day, everywhere you go.